My Driftworks order has arrived. The weather is horrible, but S15 parts. Apparently the garage is leaking. Beautiful. Shouldn't be anything too exciting in the box, but means we can finally make some progress. I nicked the old one for the Lexus so I could drive that around, so it's about time I got a replacement for the S15. More important, driver's seat rail. The last one got pretty smashed up when the gearbox blew up and the prop shaft hit it, so strong start. It's been a long time since this car was driving. I've only got 3 bolts holding the steering wheel in anyway. Steering wheel sorted. Pick up some countersink bolts. I don't want to do these up tight and damage the anodizer. Oh, I guess take the seat out. So when the gearbox blew up, the prop shaft hit the bottom of the car, smashed the transmission tunnel in and trashed my seat rail. Probably saved my legs, to be honest, but either way, seat rail got trashed, and that's why I now have these. So got a guide to go off to finish, I guess, fixing the mounting point for the seat. So this has already had some work done to it, but that was a long time ago. Can't really remember where I was at. Make sure they're parallel and that my captive nut's in the right place. Obviously not the most accurate form of measurement, but at the back I have 410mm, 387. I'm going to put off the old seat rail, what's left of it. Let's put new seat rails on, then I'll drop it on top and we can see how far out it actually is. I reckon, yeah, that's not going to work. Definitely this way. Vaguely in position. Right, I have found the issue. All 3 bolt holes line up except for this one, which is unsurprising because this is where the prop shaft hit. So I'm going to chop this top piece off here where we welded it previously, lift it, weld it onto where it's actually meant to be, but I also need to build up the support structure underneath it. fit in. Like a glove. My steering wheel is actually sat a little bit off to the left, but the seating position seems pretty good. So pick up my handbrake. It's going to sit about there. Yeah, except for the steering wheel being slightly off to one side, which I can fix. Might lift it up a touch too. Feels pretty good. That's pretty much where it's meant to sit. My plan is tack this piece in place where it's actually meant to be. Only a couple tacks so I can still move it around. And then from there I can make some templates and start creating the piece to fill the gap. Bolts up, so I guess we'll go with that. Let's go start cutting up some paper templates. Here's my terrible stencil. It should be close enough that I can start working the metal and get a little bit closer. So I'm going to cut a piece out of some 1.2mm mild and go from there. Very rough, but it's a start point at least. I can fully appreciate how amateur this looks, but this is my rough paper template, which then will transfer over to this piece. Then I just got to bend it in the right place and hopefully it will fit close enough to start fettling with it. Getting a little bit closer, obviously still pretty rough.